I welcome you once again to my channel. Today we are going to be making a headband, and I'm going to use this kind of yarn. It is Shaki 100% acrylic, and I'm going to use for this project. So what we need to do right now, we are going to make a chain. You make a chain which is long enough to fit your head, because we are making a headband. So I'm starting with my chains. I'm going to make a chain of 80. So this is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we are now done with our chain. This is the chain we have so far. I made a chain of 80. So from here we are going to make one more chain, and then we are going to have half double crochet on the chain that we've just made. We are going to make half double crochet from here. So we are making half double up to the end. Right from here to the end we are going to be making half double crochet. So we're going to keep making half double crochet up to the end. This is how it looks like. Then you're going to see how we end. When you reach the end, I'm going to come back when we have reached the end. We have now reached the end. We are having the last 2 stitches here, and then the last one. So when you reach here, you're going to chain 1 and then turn our work. But what we are going to do next now is we are going to crochet in the back loop. We are now making half double crochet in the back loop. You can see these are 2 loops. We have this is the front one and then the back one. So we are going to work in the back loop like this, half double crochet in the back loop. And this is what we are going to be doing until we finish our headband. We are going to do this. When we reach the end, we chain 1, again we turn until you get the right size. So you're working from the back loop. So let's keep doing this. Half double crochet in the back loop and let us meet at the end. We are now at the end of our second. So here we are going to crochet the last one, and then we make a chain and we turn our work. After turning, we are again going to work in the back loop, half double crochet in the back loop. So that's what we are going to keep doing until we finish this whole headband. We do work in the back loop, half double crochet, until we get the right size that we want. So let's meet at the end when we've got the right size of the headband that we need. We are now finishing the last row. We are still working in the back loop, doing half double crochet. So let's finish this together. Remember, we are working on our headband. From the beginning, we made a chain. Then we started working using the half double crochet in the first chain. Then in the remaining parts, we've been doing half double crochet but in the back loop. That's what we kept doing until where we reached. So our headband is ready. Thank you for being part of this. Don't miss out on any videos that I'll be posting. I love you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing and everything that you're doing. Thank you so much. May the good Lord bless you.